All right, so I'm going to demonstrate how to make lines first, and then I'm going to show you how to make a transparent box. Actually make any type of fill colors transparent in PowerPoint. That's great.
I'll do the lines like around the box.
Yep. Okay, so under the Home tab is where you'll find inserting shapes. Under Shapes tab, you'll find all of these different things that you can insert. Anything from just straight lines to arrows to text boxes to curvy lines and stuff like that. Let's start out with just an arrow line. There we go. So let me show that again since we had that up. Right under Shapes here, the arrow line. The arrow line is just you. There we go. Click and drag, and it'll make a line. Now we have all sorts of options with this line. I can make it thicker, I can make it thinner, I can change its color, I can do whatever I want with that. And you'll find that right here under Shape Outline. Change the color, change the weight. 3-point is kind of nice because we can really clearly see it. Change the color, yellow, orange, red. I kind of like orange, so I'll choose that. And you can move it around by clicking on either of these anchors, change its direction to make it more precise, make it bigger or smaller. Another thing that's useful, instead of, I think the interface for making lines in PowerPoint is terrible. So what I usually do is I make one line, I copy it, and I paste it however many times I need it, and then I can just individually move these lines around to wherever I want. Makes life easier, copy and paste. One thing I've learned about being a computer user for all of these years is that being lazy is good, and being efficient is good. Being efficient is good, and fine line between laziness and efficiency. And copy and paste is your friend. Anytime you can copy and paste something, copy and paste it. Okay. Well, yeah, unless it requires you to do something that's original. All right, now, transparent shapes. You have to start out by making some sort of a shape. I'm going to start with a box, okay? And then for fill-type stuff, you have to go up to the paint bucket up here, the drop-down menu. And I usually like to choose my colors under this tab here, More Fill Colors, because that allows me to click anywhere in here, go lighter, go darker, and I can make custom colors however I want. So I'm going to make kind of a blue-green here. Now, to make a box that's kind of transparent, you go right down. It's almost invisible. It's hard to see down here, but there's a little slider that says Transparency. If you slide it up around 60 or 70%, you'll see it's very transparent. Clear? Okay.